Hey, what's up guys? So in this tutorial we'll be talking about static nested classes in Java, and as we already know that a class exists inside a class is known as inner class or nested class. So now let's discuss the static nested class, but before that, if you're new here, then please don't forget to subscribe, and now let's begin. Now, what is static nested classes? So guys, a static class that is created inside a class can be known as a static nested class. Here in the syntax, you can see there is a class A and the class B, and the class B exists inside class A and it is a static class. So we can say that class B is a static nested class. And static class cannot access non-static data member and method, and it can be accessed by outer class name. Like when you want to access a static nested class, then you have to use the outer class name dot the inner class name. Let's go ahead and see a program example to understand this concept in a much better way. So guys, here we have this program example for static nested class, and you can see here that here we have this outer class and the name is a static nested class, and here we have this static class which is also a inner class, or you can say static nested class, and the class name is inner. Here in this we have this method, this is void show method, and it is printing that static nested class demo. And here in the main function, when we want to call this show, then as we already studied that first we have to write the name of our outer class, then the name of our inner class, and then you have to give an object name equals to new, and then again the name of your outer class and the name of your inner class, and then you can just call the particular method, the method show, just by writing the name of the object. So here I have mentioned I underscore obj because this is what we created as an object, and now when we call I dot obj dot show, then this method get called and we'll receive this. So let's go ahead and run the program to see that if we get the expected output. So guys, here we have this output for the static nested class, and this is how you can create a static nested class just by writing the name of the class and putting static here, and you can create your methods and you can call the method just by writing the name of your outer object, or the first sorry the name of your outer class and the name of your inner class. Then after you can just give a name to your object equals to new keyword, and then the name of your outer class dot the name of your inner class, and then you can call the particular method. So that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any comments, please write down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.